everyone, it's Christian here with Advisorist. I'm here today to give you a quick little tip on how to supercharge your LinkedIn second degree network. This little tip it'll only really take 1 minute per day, but it can have a huge upside for your business and potentially increase your second degree connections by up to 50,000 people per week. So to give you a bit of background, I was talking with one of our shift members last week, and she had developed her niche, developed her USP, and she was really trying to expand her LinkedIn network. I don't know about you guys, but most people I speak to just use LinkedIn for a Rolodex of people they've previously worked with, a former colleague, maybe some friends, but they've never really used it for outbound prospecting. And this was the case with our shift member. She'd never used it for outbound prospecting, and she wasn't really too sure where to start. So we gave her some tips on where to go, looking in groups for her specific niche, which, by the way, is sales professionals, and I'll get onto that a little bit more in just a minute. She joined a bunch of groups. She'd been running with our AdvisorLink software, and she was asking, what more can I do, as I don't want to be average, I want to be an A player. And at Advisorist, we really love it when our members are really engaged and are really, really pushing to be great, as that's what we strive to achieve here. So what my tip is it's a little bit unorthodox, but it's actually, she was looking to connect with salespeople, and who are also trying to connect with salespeople. Well, if you can see a word here, recruiter, you'd be exactly right. So I would suggest to connect with recruiters who are within your target market. So here, Todd Blackman is a lead sales recruiter. Any recruiter worth their money is going to be spending all day, every day, speaking to candidates, trying to find people to fill roles. And those people could potentially be your target market. So I would suggest having a look at whatever industry you're in. In this specific example, it's sales. So I'd suggest searching for some sales recruiters and connecting with them, because chances are most recruiters will accept your connection request, as most recruiters are very open-minded, personable people. And I'm going to give you one extra little tip, and you're probably going to think, what are you saying? So I would suggest to look for lions. You may be thinking, Christian, I can go see lions at a zoo. I can't see lions on LinkedIn. Well, actually, lion on LinkedIn means something very, very different to a real lion. Lion on LinkedIn, if you can see in Todd's profile, he has lion here. That means LinkedIn Open Networkers. So that means as a member of LinkedIn, Todd is open to connecting with anybody. This is really useful, especially when combined with being a recruiter. That means that Todd has 6,700 connections. And I can check that as another little tip by going down into activity. And you can see he's got 6,702 followers. Chances are most of those people will be live connections, as it's under the 30,000 limit. How do you go about finding Lion LinkedIn members? I would suggest to join a few groups that are Lion LinkedIn members, and I'd also suggest to use it in the search bar. Just type in Lion and see what comes up. I hope this has been helpful, as if you do this for 1 minute a day, so you find 5 recruiters, let's say, and let's be conservative, those recruiters should have at least 2,000 connections. You do that and you connect with 5 people a day, you'll be connected. If they all accept you, you will potentially have 10,000 new secondary connections every single day within your niche. You can do the maths, as you're probably much better at it than I am, but you can see if you do that every single day for a month, your second degree connections will be in the millions in no time.